this the haiku. It's one of my favorite drills. 3 rounds, group 1, 3 rounds, group 2 at 5 yards. Then after that, we're gonna go back to the 7-yard line, do another 3 yards at 7, check it out, do another 3 rounds at 7. Then we're gonna come back to the 5-yard line, and we're gonna do a final 3-round grouping at 5 yards. 3 dry, 3 live, on your own, target number 3. Are there any questions? The line is ready, shooters ready, stand by. Fire! Three main reloads you will deal with throughout most of your shooting career, your shooting life. What is usually referred to as an administrative reload or a duty load, or what is usually the way in which you load your gun before you leave the house, before you go on duty. An emergency reload, otherwise known as an empty gun reload. The principle behind it, demoing with my airsoft pistols, because that's why I love them, is my slide goes back to the rear and I go, well, this is an issue. I can't make pews. I want to make pews, but the gas tank is empty. So I need to find an efficient way to get this out of the gun and this into the gun. Go. Set it back up. Stand by. Go. Draw pistol on target. Slide block to the rear. Insert empty magazine. Eyes and ears. Same thing. Get quality reps in. Don't just move your hands around and make bangs. Stand by. Fire! At some point, I'll probably tell you to reload and then give you the fire drill command, so it'll look like this. Fire. Bang, bang, bang. Reload. Fire. Bang, 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 bang. Reload. Fire. Bang, bang, bang. Fire! Reload! Fire! Reload! Fire! Malfunctions, immediate and remedial. I'm on target. Go. Identify, lock the rear, magazine. You got it. Rack, rack, rack. Insert. Ta-da. Set it up one more time. Fire! Fire! Lock that slide to the rear. You're going to proceed to the first gun. Station 1. You're to pick up the pistol, come on target, attempt to fire. Maybe it'll fire, maybe it won't. Maybe piss off. If it doesn't fire, you need to diagnose why and give me 1 round center mass. When that is clear, you proceed to station 2. Do the same thing. Pick it up, attempt to fire. If it fires, great, you move on. If it doesn't, cool, you fix it, shoot it, move on. Station 3, same thing. Station 4, same thing. So no one becomes a zombie. After each iteration, we wipe them down with the defense wipes, because I love you. Understand the course fire? Eyes and ears, eyes and ears. Ready? Go! Go! Hurry up! Hurry up! Pick up the gun! Fix it! Fix it! What is wrong with it? Diagnose it. Walk it to the rear. Clear it out. Rack, rack, rack. Load. Rack. Go. Shoot it. Turn the gun on! Turn the gun on, Al! Put the gun down. Thank you. Pick it up! Oh, it's already got a mag in it. Pull the trigger. Oh, no! Fix it! Come on, figure it out. Problem solve this, baby. You got this. Pull that trigger. There you go. Put it down. Station 3. Pick it up. Pull the trigger. Pull the trigger. It's not shooting. Fix the gun. There you go. Tap rack. Reassess. Go. Tap rack. Hit it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Clear it. Clear it. Rack, rack, rack. Load it. Go! Down. Your gun. We fucked up your gun because it's yours and we don't care. Fix it. Pop it. Put it down. Yay. Your gun's gonna stay here at all times. All your loose ammo is gonna stay back there at the ammo point. If you want, you can take your magazine with you. What I'm gonna do is I start on the barrel. All my ammo is gonna be back on my ammo point. I'm gonna start here. If you want, you can leave this in and breech load the whole time. I don't recommend that. What I recommend is you start mag in hand right here. On the go command, boom, turn. I'm walking this. I run up range, I grab one round. At some point, I need to load that round in my magazine, pick up pistol, load and go. There are 5 targets. You have 25 rounds. You need 5 rounds in each target. On the command fire, you will have 5 minutes to do all that stuff I just talked about. Hence it's called the 5-minute drill. Shooters are ready. Stand by. Fire! Four, 3, 2, 1. Cease fire! Cease fire! Cease fire! We got 4, 5, 6 left. 1, 2, 3. About 3 left on the barrel. 1 complete. 2 complete.
I have 1 in the mag stuff.
Womp womp. That sucks, huh? Yeah, you gave me money to do that. You paid for this. Here's where your shots need to be. Right now, I want you to do all center mass shots. Reason I let you aim center mass on the target presented is center mass gives you the highest statistical probability to hit the target. If you aim for the head and you miss, guess what, genius? If you had aimed center mass, you'd have landed that shot. Make sense? Give a fuck about the point value. We're not doing point values. If you aim for the head and miss, you just got someone killed. Stand by. Even with that reload, last shot fired was 6:15. .274. Stand by. 281. On the buzzer. We are at 3 rounds on the buzzer. 3 rounds. Stand by. So I start here, start in the middle. If I'm gonna go left, I draw fire 2 rounds on steel, 2 hits. Gotta get 2 hits. If you shoot in this, you owe me one. Draw fire, bang, bang, holster. Right here, draw fire, bang, bang, holster, run forward. Draw fire, bang, bang, done. So you start in the middle, but you end on the corner. Are you gonna go left or right? Okay. Remember, you are reholstered before you use that. Stand by. Going to the right, to the right. Focus on the metal. Good. Slow. Good. Depending on the distance we're at, normally we go center mass, highest statistical probability to hit the target. But if this guy or gal is all jacked up on Mountain Dew and Ritalin, and it just ain't doing nothing in the center mass area, we gotta go, we gotta change, we have to adjust our sight picture slightly north. 2 to the chest, 1 to the head, on the buzzer, on the buzzer! So you can move from the end of that barrel to the end of that barrel. These barrels are your left and right limits. So however you want to align yourself to make sure that you have target and background appropriate, go ahead. Load and make ready. Holster. About face. Okay. When I give you the fire command, that's when you're going to turn to go. Blue circles, green numbers. Red, prime numbers. And blue squares. Green, odd numbers, and red triangles. Prime numbers, blue triangles. Fire. Number 2, number 2, number 2. 11, 11, 11. All triangles, triangles, triangles. Even numbers, even numbers. Red rectangles, red rectangles, red rectangles. The end. Still got to keep going. Lock it. Green triangles, green triangles. The end.